your prescription, could soon be filled by a machine. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword in Silicon Valley. It is walking straight into your local pharmacy. Pharmacists have spent years mastering medicines, interactions, and dosages. But robots and AI systems are learning fast, frighteningly fast. So, should pharmacists be worried? Let's find out. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. AI can already dispense medication with robotic precision, zero human error. Machine learning models now detect dangerous drug interactions better than most pharmacists. Automated prescription verification? Done in milliseconds. AI chatbots answer patient medication queries around the clock. Inventory management, dosage calculations, fraud detection, all being automated right now. Repetitive, rule-based tasks. AI does them faster, cheaper, and without a lunch break. But here's the thing: AI cannot replace everything. Not yet. Clinical pharmacists who work alongside doctors in hospitals? Still irreplaceable. Pharmacists who counsel patients on complex chronic conditions, diabetes, cancer, mental health, that requires human empathy and trust. Specialists in compounding, oncology, or palliative care are in high demand. The smartest pharmacists today are learning to use AI as a tool, becoming the humans who supervise, audit, and improve the machines. Get certified in clinical pharmacy informatics. Embrace the technology. Lead it. Will pharmacists be obsolete by 2030? Bluntly, community dispensing pharmacists face the highest risk. The World Economic Forum predicts massive automation in routine healthcare roles by 2030. But clinical, specialist, and technology-focused pharmacists will not only survive, they will thrive. Construction ends. Buildings remain. Dispensing ends. Healthcare grows. The question is not whether AI is coming, it already has. The question is, will you adapt, or be left on the shelf? If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and career insights. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today.